How to download and install the GCash app on Android phone. Hi guys, welcome to our channel. Let's begin. In this video, I will guide you on how you can download and install the GCash application on your Android device. For this, open up Play Store. Make sure to sign into your Gmail account on Play Store. Now tap on the search bar. Here you want to search for GCash. Out of the search options, this is the application you should be looking for. Now, tap on About this app if you want to get more information on GCash. Here it says that GCash is a mobile wallet app that lets you shop, send, save, and more with your smartphone. Scroll down, and here you have the app information such as the version, download size, required OS. You also have the compatibility for your active devices over here. Head back and scroll down if you want the ratings and reviews from other users. Now, if you want to download and install this application on your device, simply tap on the install option. Now, you will have to wait. Depending on the speed of the internet and the file size, it will take some time for the application to be downloaded. Once GCache has been downloaded, it will automatically be installed on your device. Once the installation has been completed, you can simply tap on the Open option, create your account or log in, and then start using the GCash app. And that's it for this video. If you found it helpful, please make sure to hit the like button and subscribe for more videos like this.